What's the meaning of cocooning? Cocooning. Cocooning.
Cocooning. Cocooning. Cocooning refers to the act of isolating oneself from the outside world, usually for personal comfort or safety. This term originated in the 1980s when people began to spend more time at home due to the increasing popularity of technology and home entertainment. As a result of cocooning, individuals may experience heightened feelings of security and privacy. They can create a personalized environment that is tailored to their needs and preferences. However, this behavior can also lead to social isolation and hinder one's ability to form meaningful connections with others.